Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Bhatka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this match we are going to analyze the match that took place at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Delhi Capitals. What a humdinger it was. Nail biting of a finish. RCB just won by one run. First of all, we will analyze the innings of Royal Challengers Bangalore. Virat Kohli failed once again. I think he has to work on his form. We all know his class, but his not scoring is hurting the team in the longer chances. Devdutt Padikkal also played a couple of good shots towards the leg side and one towards the offside as well. But the returning Ishan Sharma got him nicely with an outswinger beautifully. What a game! Beg your pardon. What a ball it was, and he was making a comeback after a long time due to injury. He was not playing, so well done to Ishant. Then again, who stole the show? Surprise, surprise. It's ABD who stole the show once again. 75 runs, not out of 42 balls, including that mammoth 23-run over of Marcus Stoinis. What an innings it was. He just played brilliantly and he smashed their premier bowler Kagiso Rabada as well, his countrymate, the South African. And a shot particularly he hit towards mid wicket of Kagiso Rabada was, I think, the shot of the match. Not very easy to play that shot, but he used the pace very nicely and just smashed him. And the 1 over covers he played in the last over as well. So pretty satisfying shots to watch those two. And once again, he has been carrying the middle order. Glenn Maxwell played well at the start, but unfortunately couldn't capitalize. This is the second match he hasn't been able to capitalize. He has played well in the tournament as a whole, but he needs to be consistent because that has been his bane in the past. For Delhi Capitals bowling, Rajat Patidar, I forgot to mention, scored 31 of 22. Looked good but got out at the wrong time. But this inning should increase his confidence very much because of the past two failures that he has had. Now coming to the analysis of Delhi Capitals. Amit Mishra bowled well, 4 overs 27 runs, 1 wicket. Avesh Khan also took a single wicket and was economical, and so was Ishan Sharma, as I mentioned earlier. Now coming to the innings of Delhi Capitals, unfortunately Prithvi Shaw got out after playing some splendid shots. Shikhar Dhawan had a rare failure, so we can give him some leeway. He will come back strongly in the next match. No need to worry about his form at all. Rishabh Pant scored 58 runs, but it was one of his what you say, very lethargic is the word that I can use. Not a good innings. He just took very much time to settle at the start, which was in the end detrimental. So because they lost by just one run, but he just tried to capitalize. And Shimron Hetmeyer played the best innings of his IPL career, I would say. Just smashed the bowling to all parts. Scored a magnificent 56s. Although Devdutt Padikkal dropped him, but the six sitting range he exhibited was world class, and that is the kind of talent he possesses, and that's why Delhi Capitals have bought him, beg your pardon. So all in all, a great display by Shimron Hetmeyer. Bowlers were under the pump for RCB. Arshad Patel gave away 37 runs, but took away two crucial wickets. So nice sort of comeback after the hammering he got from Ravindra Jadeja last match. He has 17 wickets now, so he's the highest wicket taker. So good on him. Then again, other RCB bowlers, Mohammad Siraj went for 44, but brilliantly defended the last over. Bowled Yorkers pretty nicely at sharing space, and the Yorkers were tailing in, so that makes it doubly difficult for the batsman to get away. Rishabh Pant, as I mentioned, scored a 50 but was detrimental because he couldn't settle in at the start. His intention is understandable because he couldn't trust the batting that came after, but in the end, it was not good for the team's cause. So RCB won by 1 runs. That propels them to the top of the table. 5 victories from 6 matches. So a great start for RCB, and Delhi Capitals not need to worry about much. Just their batting in the middle order is a little bit of issue. I hope they can sort it out and they can be back in the winning tracks once again. So this was my analysis of this match. Please share your comments in the comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the further notification. In the next video we will meet in the Marathi analysis of the same match. Till then everyone, take care, bye.